Earn money by playing games, watching movies, or renting pets from this free application. You can withdraw money to real money through a digital wallet or withdraw to cryptocurrency. So make sure to catch this video, so you understand the secret to getting passive income from the X-World application. Step 1. Download and install the X-World application from the link I included in the description. If this application is not available in your country, you can use a VPN. Step 2. Complete daily tasks and open the application every day. Step 3. Increase your pets level by merge pets that have the same level. Step 4. Play some games or applications that give high bonuses. For a list of games and applications that give high bonuses, I will provide it in another video. You can also claim the build token bonus from the gift code that I provide. Please check the X-World gift code playlist. Immediately claim this X-World redeem code by filling in the code on the red envelope that you can find here. Important for you to know, the bonus you get depends on the level of the pet you have, and the bonus will be sent in the form of build tokens or world tokens. For you to receive the bonus, you must run every game and application from the X-World application. Then what are the tricks to speed up income from the X-World application? You can increase your income from the X-World application in the following ways. First method. Have an X-Sprite NFT. You can buy X-Sprite from the X-World application using world tokens, so make sure to top up your account and convert it to world tokens. You can also buy X-Sprite from the stock market, where other players sell their NFT assets. X-Sprite consists of two types, namely X-Sprite Type N and X-Sprite Type R. For Type N, the maximum bonus that can be obtained is 250%, and X-Sprite Type R can be upgraded with a maximum bonus of 300%. What are the advantages of having X-Sprite? If you have an X-Sprite, you can earn passive income by renting it to other players, and you will get a profit share from the renter. If you use X-Sprite, the bonus you earn will be more, compared to using free pets from X-World. Second way, referral program. You can increase your income in X-World by inviting other people to join through a referral link. You will get an additional bonus for every mission and achievement from the person you successfully invite. In some cases, many X-World players can collect build tokens faster by playing Escape Master and Sprint Run games. However, I do not recommend you to play this game, but if you are curious, there is nothing wrong with trying it, but understand the risks. That was how to make money from the X-World application. If you have questions about this application, do not hesitate to comment. Please share this video and good luck. Cow!